Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use the prompt templates on OpenArt. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and type openart.ai. If you already have an account, log in to access your dashboard. Now, click on Discover, located on the left sidebar. Then, select Prompt Templates. Here, you will find a variety of templates to spark your creativity. Choose a template that inspires you and click on it. Then click on Remix. Now, since this is a template that's already made, just click Create on the prompt that is located on the left. Watch as OpenArt generates an image based on your prompt template you have chosen. It's that easy to use the prompt templates on OpenArt and kickstart your creative journey. Unleash your imagination and bring your ideas to life. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.